This is the Lumia 430 Dual SIM disassembly video. Before performing any repair actions, make sure you're familiar with these warnings and cautions. For disassembling, you need the standard care tools. Protect the touch panel with protective film. Pull the B cover from the USB hole to detach the cover. Remove the B cover. Use the groove to lift the battery. Unscrew the 9 Torx Plus size 4 screws as shown. Do not use them again. Discard them. Start releasing the D cover with the SRT6. Push the SRT6 to the shown places to release the first 2 clips. Continue to release the D cover by detaching the clips on the side key side. Then release the 2 clips on the top end of the device. Next, release the 3 clips on the SIM card side. The D cover can now be lifted and removed. Use the sharp end of the SS93 to release the speaker. Remove the speaker with tweezers. Release the speaker adhesive with the dental tool. Remove the speaker adhesive and discard it. Remove the speaker mesh with tweezers. Do not use it again. Discard it. Use the SS93 to open the touch panel connector. Open the locking mechanism of the display connector with the SS93. Open the display connector by pulling it with tweezers. Unscrew this Torx Plus size 4 screw. Start to detach the engine board by releasing the shown clip with SS93. Then release this clip on the other side. Release the remaining clips with SS93. Lift the top end of the engine board and pull it as shown. Be careful with the display connector and the USB connector while separating the engine board. Open the locking mechanism of the front camera connector with the SS93. Remove the front camera manually. Open the locking mechanism of the main camera connector with the SS93. Detach the main camera with tweezers. Use tweezers to peel off the main camera sponge. Do not use it again. Remove the main camera PWB sponge with tweezers. Do not use it again. Remove the audio jack sponge with tweezers. Do not use it again. Release the speaker sealing sponge with the dental tool. Use tweezers to peel off the speaker sealing sponge. It is not reusable. Discard it. Release the speaker spacer sponge with the dental tool. Use tweezers to peel off the speaker spacer sponge. Discard it. Remove these lids. Release the lid hooks with dental tool. Use tweezers to remove the lids. The lids are not reusable. Release the USB sponge with the dental tool. Remove it with tweezers. Do not use it again. Release the audio jack adhesive with the dental tool. Remove it with tweezers. Do not use it again. Remove the P-sensor rubber with tweezers. Remove the earpiece with tweezers. Discard it. Use the dental tool to detach the earpiece sponge. Do not use it again. Discard it. Use tweezers to detach the LCM hole rubber. Release the two PWB adhesives with the dental tool. Use tweezers to peel off them. They cannot be used again. Discard them. Use tweezers to detach the 4 display gaskets. Discard them. Start to release the touch panel by inserting the SRT6 into the earpiece hole. To loosen the adhesive on top part of the touch panel, slide the SRT6 to the directions shown. Next, release the right hand side by sliding the SRT6 to the direction shown. Next, release the left hand side by sliding the SRT6 from the top to the bottom end. Loosen the adhesive from the bottom end with the SS93. Insert the SS93 between the touch panel and the A cover, and push the SS93 slowly as shown. The touch panel can now be removed. Be careful with the flex while separating the touch panel. Protect the touch panel with protective film. If there are adhesive remains on the touch panel, clean them with Q-tip and alcohol. Protect the display with protective film. Use the sharp end of the SS93 to push and release the display. Be careful with the flex while removing the display. The display and the A cover assembly can now be separated. Note that the A cover assembly is not reusable. The Lumia 430 dual SIM disassembly procedure is now complete. Assembly video. Care tools. Peel off the touch panel adhesive protective film. Place the display onto the A-cover bottom end first and carefully guide the display connector flex through the hole on the A-cover. Lower down the top end and make sure the display is firmly in place. Place the touch panel onto the A-cover top end first and carefully guide the touch panel connector through the hole on the A-cover. Lower down the bottom end and press from all sides to get the touch panel firmly attached. Insert the LCM hole rubber into place with tweezers. Press with the SS93 to get it properly fixed into the hole on the A-cover. Insert the P-sensor rubber into place with tweezers. Insert the earpiece sponge into place. Press with the SS93 to activate the adhesive and peel off the protective film. Insert the earpiece into place. Make sure the two pins are facing the shown way. Press from the edges of the earpiece to activate the adhesive. Place the two PWB adhesives to the shown places on the A-cover. Use the marks on the A-cover to get the right positioning. Press to activate the adhesive and peel off the protective film. Place the 4 display gaskets to the shown places. Insert the front camera sponge into place. Press gently and remove the protective film. Place the first shielding lid on the engine board. Press all the edges with the SS93 to get it properly attached. Place the second shielding lid on the engine board and press all the edges to get it properly attached. Place the speaker sealing sponge into position. Use the guiding lines on the engine board to get the right positioning. Press around the speaker sealing sponge to activate the adhesive and peel off the protective film. Place the speaker spacer sponge inside the circle mark on the engine board. Place the audio jack sponge around the audio jack. Use the guiding lines on the engine board to get the right positioning. Press gently to activate the adhesive. Place the main camera PWB sponge into position. Use the guiding lines on the engine board to get the right positioning. Press gently to activate the adhesive. Place the USB sponge into position. Use the guiding lines on the engine board to get the right positioning. Press gently to activate the adhesive. Place the audio jack adhesive into position. Use the guiding lines on the engine board to get the right positioning. Press to activate the adhesive and peel off the protective film. Place the main camera sponge on the main camera. Press gently and remove the protective film. Place the main camera into position and push the flex inside the connector. Make sure the flex is inside the connector as deep as possible. Close the locking mechanism of the main camera connector. Place the front camera sponge on. Insert the front camera flex into the connector, and remove the protective film. Make sure the flex is inside the connector as deep as possible. Also, make sure the front camera is facing the right way. Close the locking mechanism of the front camera connector. Place the engine board on the A cover bottom end first, then lower down the top end. Make sure the display flex and the touch panel connector do not fall under the engine board. Press with the SS93 to attach the shown clips. Carefully press the front camera into place. Then make sure the clips on the other side are also attached. Fasten the Torx Plus size 4 screw using a torque of 11 Nm. Guide the display flex into the connector and close the locking mechanism. Make sure the flex is inside the connector as deep as possible. Attach the touch panel connector. Place the type label on the D cover and press to activate the adhesive. Place the speaker mesh into position and press to activate the adhesive. Insert the speaker adhesive into place. Press to activate the adhesive and peel off the protective film. Insert the speaker into place and press to activate the adhesive. Place the D cover on the A cover. Press from all sides to get the A cover and the D cover firmly attached. Fasten the 9 Torx Plus size 4 screws in the shown order, using a torque of 11 Newton-centimeters. Insert the battery into the device bottom end first. Insert the device into the B-cover top end first. Press from all sides to get the B-cover properly attached. The Lumia 430 dual SIM assembly procedure is now complete.